Alright everyone, we found another location we haven't been to. So, the journey through the rainforest continues. This is an area that was built in 1934. It is called BANO de Oro. BANO de Oro. Built in 1934. The government Great Depression emergency relief efforts had a work program so men could come work and get employed through the Depression. And they came out here and built this. This is a gigantic recreation area. It's got cabins, trails, swimming pools, observation towers. There's a trail that goes up and in through there. There is benches all along the perimeter here because this used to be, it's all grown in now, but this used to be a gigantic swimming pool. All this down to the concrete there. This was a gigantic swimming pool. Just like this photo shows here. You can see the people standing out there looking out over the swimming pool. That used to be right there. Here is the big facility that they built back then in 1933. Finished in 1934. Beautiful area. And it looks like at one time the water flowed underneath. It says that the river flowed through here and used to go down, cascading down these steps and flowing down there. Now it's just a trickle. Baño de Oro. You could come up here and change. This probably was a changing room, bathhouse area where you'd come in and change. It used to be a restaurant too. And you can come down here, you can overlook people in the pool. Amazing. And here comes the rain. So we're going to pause the video and take shelter. And now we get to sit in the rainforest in the rain. Just like Dora the Explorer and Diego.
Yep.
Overlooking Baño de Oro. Cannot go inside, unfortunately, it's all boarded up, but let's see if we can peek in through there. I just see a bench, and yeah, it's just an old bathhouse. People used to go. Oh, it looks like old shower and bathhouse in there. And look at there, we've got nature. Let's see if we can focus. A beehive with active bees in it. So let's not disturb that. There is at least 8 bees in there. There, we saw a few bees earlier pollinating on the flowers. So bringing the honey back to the mother bee. Beautiful canopy of trees.